Hi everyone, welcome back to the second episode of Fine Arts Start to Finish. The vertical video, as this is how I shot the image. This episode, I will be more focused on the editing part of the image. So now let's get into it. So this time I had an idea. That is, I'm standing in the darkness and I'm holding a torch to enlighten my way. But my own hand is the torch. That's the reason why I wrapped up my hand with a piece of cloth. As you can see, I'm playing with the values with curves to enhance the darker regions and the brighter regions. My intention is to make the image look like more of a painting as a composite. That's why I'm using some textures. Now you can see I'm enhancing some highlights to make it look as real as possible. And there you go, some finishing touches. So subscribe and share your thoughts to stay tuned for more such episodes.